Right when you see that, you just lean up some of the stone. Where blood clot? What you say, man? Stop. Are the big stone over there?
That's the red jug over there.
Yeah. You come in at the river with me, so limit you, right? If you steer on a higher ledge, in a certain, I have certain vantage point where you can sit down, so, but a little easier for you, because around the corner around this, where we have a good visibility at the river, a little bit above the church. You pass a church up there, so you can sit down here, so, and further up the street.
Come back down, instead of not so far.
What is the Quran bad? One put you out there, so. Every time I say Quran, I'll show away. So stay one in. Come here, one in.
Hold me.
Where you up there?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Sad day in the office. You know, from you can see from the title, you know, it's that time, you know, it's really, really sad, you know, to really say, boy, one of our closest friend, you know, literally, you know, get washed away, you know, from the river. Him and a girl as well too. Like today's like 3 days now, it's been washed away. 3 days, you know. Words can't explain if you can't hear it from a voice, you know. Never really do want to do this, you know, but understand. So the body still haven't been found as yet, you know, and basically them went river, you know, by Cassiton. That's what set me here, right?
Yeah, man, set me here.
Set me here. And this guy that I'm telling you about, when you hear me always say we have football competition and everything, he's our goalkeeper for our team. You know, he's the one that keeps goal for our team. So you're gonna see image flash up with him as well too. I just want to condolence them in the comment section, you know. We just want to keep it positive, and the prayers them goes out to the family, you know, and please we are tell you, send your condolence, you know, because yeah, words, as I say, it's too painful, you know. The river came down and washed away both of them. You know, the girl washed away first. I guess he was standing on the rock.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he was standing on the rock, and then the river just swept him off. So there's 3 days now on the search. You know, today is his 3rd day. You know, the marvel is to the rise, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they're still on the search, see me. So today I'm going on the search, you know, I have to come up back from St. Elizabeth. So today now I'm going on the search to help find him. You know, they've been searching for 3 days now, but them found the girl body yesterday.
Yeah.
You know, so female body hasn't been found as yet. You know, the thing goes, so it's just one of them sad days right now in Seaview, and he's one of these person that the whole community love and adore, you know. He's that one that with that vibes, that jovial thing, you know, him always happy, running jokes and everything, you know. So we definitely lose a family, I would say friend, because, you know, he's been close to us from day one, you know. And for him to go this way, we cannot say, boy, we cannot question sometimes when things happen, you know, but it's really sad to know that we lost 2 of them, you know, both him and the girl got washed away, and it's really, really sad.
Tragically, huh?
Yeah, it's tragically, that's painful. And then now the worst part of it now, his body haven't been found as yet, you know, so the man hunt still goes on, you know. Everyone can see if you really want to go to help search, but you know the vehicle is not enough for everyone, so we can go with who we can go. So we have a couple of vehicles. Every day people taking turns, you know, just to come, you know, and just give the support that's needed, because trust me, this guy is well loved by the whole community. Just imagine how the community feel right now, you know, just imagine how it feels. So this is the next, so this is even our football coach, or coach a team as well too, you know.
Morning.
Yeah, so it's just painful, you know, really, really painful to see what I go on, boy. So we're here getting prepared, as you can see. We have some vehicles here lined up already, and everyone lined up, so we're getting ready to go out, you know, to hopefully we can find him today. You know, hopefully we can find him today. So guys, as I say, just keep it positive in the comment section. You know, things happen in life. Sometimes we cannot explain and we don't understand it. You know, so but we have to just try to live with it. With it. So it's not an easy one to take, you know, but we have to try and take. You know, so it's a very sad day in the office. You know, so sorry I have to bring this sad one. You know, but I'm gonna take him on the search, you know. I'm gonna bring my drone as well. I guess they said, the police said they're gonna need a drone, but they can literally try to see. So I'm gonna try and fly my drone as well to see if we can see. So guys, we're keeping our finger crossed we can find him today, because them find a girl, you know, and her body like it's swept and land, you know. So and it wasn't a good look with her when them found her, you know. So just can imagine, I'm saying today is the 3rd day, you know, and it still haven't been found. So a lot of people out now, you know, lining up for us to leave. So please keep it positive, strictly condolence in the comment section, you know. This one is very heartfelt, very, very heartfelt, you know. Okay, so the amount of people here really want to come out, but it's just the amount of vehicle that's here right now. Wow.
Yeah. Dumplings, man, in Sunny View. Live with a bigger split in their mouth. I'm going to look at cold beer and come back. I'm going to put it on the mission.
Yeah, and the search too.
Start the things then. Yeah.
Yes guys, I'm saying it's very sad day in the office today in Seaview Garden, you know. So I imagine in blink in the morning.
Man come take me out of my bed and came up and put me on bus, bro.
And I say, yo, match Sunday. And he was even saying we have match Sunday. I'm ready.
Sunday.
And
yeah, man.
prepared, you know, and him literally walk to the bus stop.
Like, I'm going to put me on taxi.
The man follow him to the bus stop. And then now for you, if you got here, say, that happened.
The man wash the riverbed. I don't know when man find time to go on a riverbed.
Yeah, and that's why Cassitan, you know, that sent me
far away from the moon.
far away. It's really, really sad vibes. No, it's really, really, really sad. Is that go as well too?
No, it's not.
Come on. Now we are late, yeah, man. No, Monday.
At this moment, guys are
But they have John?
Yeah.
If I don't find anybody, we want one brother.
The drone?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you're long the way.
Yeah. We know why the river wide, you know, brother.
Why?
It's too long still, but it's wide, man. Alright, where's Sash there? Where's Sash? I say, yo, we can't go back. Yo, the cripple man. I must say, yo, walk out.
So guys, so they're bringing rope as well too. They're bringing ropes as well, you know. Anchor at. Oh, go on. You going out? Yeah, go. Man, let me check it now.
Left, boy.
one leg, go through the cow pass, 300 grams.
The boss.
Teenage, it's a one of the man, ratty, you can't swim, and me to get them something here. Me are the diver.
That's why I can't swim before I have it on.
Yeah, and me I go have it, and me I go test the water today, because him can't swim. All them have to do is just tie the rope, drown me. No, man.
I Ratty can't swim to save him life.
Nah, that's why I prefer it.
Last time Ratty had joined a shallow. Much less. Yeah. A shallow. Eh? Any of that here, Ratty can't swim.
Rat can't swim, want to go to the rat shoes.
You said the last time.
Alright, last time. Rat go farm enough people.
But the Ratty can't swim though.
They say, chuck off. In them there, where? Come off and them, you know.
Ratty, let's see in our shoes this morning. See me shoes.
Yeah, we can see the whole community is out, you know, so we're gonna load up, you know, move out now.
Where parish? Some place where you can't see more. This man really go there.
That's why I'm afraid.
Manage it much less.
Anago.
So we drive here, come.
And then this.
Oh, you mean, I'm not friendly. Yeah,
Come Sheppy.
Sheppy from Falcon.
Yeah.
When there?
Team there.
Call Sheppy.
Chubby Nico.
The ball and the one forward, you know.
Some of the boy them are come back to them now.
It was a journey going over there.
Yes, man.
It was a journey, Keno. It was a journey yesterday, bro. And the other day, bro. Bro, I got you a place they call named Maroon Town. And I want to go back there. Do not want to go back there, bro.
No Maroon Town, nobody.
Maroon Town.
Yo, kill Jeremy. I go through coal passing.
I'll hug
Yo,
everything.
some things are reach me down there, bro. That's a leader. One year
farm down there.
go swim.
Just have a big farm.
Assassin?
Yeah.
Alright, because assassin farm will find the girl. Because assassin farm will find her. Now.
Oh.
Right, because Sasko farm.
So the man them use up the money out there. The dog farm, way organized, man.
Sasko. Yeah, but Sasko pig. Dog take well. I see that they can't keep a wet thing down there.
Well said.
Got the grass with that.
You see it, man. I watch a video with it and see him how him organize him thing. Yeah.
Where are you going?
Just do the only thing serious to them, bro.
I imagine today the man third day, you know. Today the man third day, you know. Yeah, 3 days now.
On Thursday. That's how we know we have to find him today, no?
Yeah, we have to find him today. Yeah, him start still.
Before summer come,
Eh?
summer fall, so we just left the car. Some jockey in the next car. So we're going up on the top of the road, line up on the top of the road up there. So.
Yeah.
The people them from here, so but if you comfortable to them there, so with them peers,
Yeah.
up there so.
Up on the main?
Yeah man, right up on the
Stammer, come in, raise that. Yeah, go up on the main, come in.
I'm afraid.
It's a word of prayer.
Rhythm and push up that thing.
Eh?
Yeah, give me 2 rhythm for your thing. Me dey on the camera. Your time the solid one, aka Bubba Fire. Bang up phone. I look for your friend.
It's a word of prayer, Sash. So guys, we're gonna have a word of prayer. Shepherd and
Ah, we ready?
Yeah.
Don't know if I'm coming up.
Come, hands together, hands together.
Come catalyst.
Come in, quick and fast.
Come now. I'm team. How that?
eh?
Kneel that man.
Come in here.
Heavenly Father and our God, this morning as we come before your presence one more time, we just want to give you thanks for life, thank you for health, thank you for strength. Lord, as we're about to journey, mighty God, on our way, Lord God and Father, I pray may take full control, cover us under your blood, God, and protect us, mighty God, as we go. Be the driver, be the steering wheel, mighty God and Father. Give us coverage, mighty God, under your blood, mighty God, this morning, Lord God, help today to be a successful day. Help, mighty God, help us to find him. Lord God, I pray that you may have your way. Go before us, mighty God, lead and direct as we leave everything into your hands this morning. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Let's go. Nobody have meat up there.
Alright guys, so we're gonna check out the spot where there was, you know, right here in Capitan Garden, you know, that's where there was. So we're gonna check the spot out. You know, out here where they do the jerks, they have the police station right there. So this is Cassitan Garden. So this is where there was.
Good life.
Why, Shepherd, it's really sad we have to come and look for a nigga like this,
I tell you what. Boy, me I tell you, today we all have our match.
Yeah, imagine that.
It's so sad. So
What's the water be dumped down there?
Yeah.
That's a man to drive fast and say, pay that blood already.
Yeah, for real.
That man to pay the
Can you imagine, today we have even match, you know, so today we're meant to be going to play match, you know, say. Today it's a different story, you know, we have to look at it for what.
Can't play the match, yeah, look the coach there, teammate them there, can't play the match, you have to go and look for friend.
Yeah. Really sad,
More to see it, bad man, I see it.
the student get washed off, huh?
More to see it.
If all the money them in there,
Oh, I the water coming out. Water was.
you hear the water, man, you hear it. You hear the water from the sea.
That's you. That's you.
Daddy. Thing I take.
Take it. Man, that's enough.
Judge, yeah.
Weather, still weather.
Rainy, yeah.
Cold weather.
Can't come out with
Rain. Right. The second time I put foot away. First time I go primary school. Big school trip.
Yeah.
And the second time I come here, come out.
Yeah, I see him with me as well too. The first time I come over here, it's a school trip as well too. Eh?
You're pretty much same level, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Tama. Over there, so the garden there, you see the flower over there, the grass over there, say pretty, you know. Be flowers, you know what I'm saying. Yeah.
So guys, so we're gonna show you where he was, him and the girl. And then we're gonna head on the search back down the river. You know, so we're gonna show you where him and the girl was.
Primary school, hands in and drop wall. One long line I go cross.
Yeah, Brim, first part now got far from here, sir.
Park, you run the park.
How much me there, Brim? Come big right the man.
Park, you run park.
Two out to me, brother. I run now two out there. Now we left the room. Oh! Come here, car shop. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's a show and come back. Regularly.
River, you're big man. River big, you know, brother. Yes, yeah, look at this river. Big.
Well, the water is good. No, the girl live on this? No. And what's going to tell me about this? Yeah. So water cover.
Stomach.
Yeah. Which one in the pan already?
Yes, the water.
The first one is
I see the pan one.
I see the far one.
See water come here, see water come here. Yo, watch yourself.
Water first, so yeah.
See water come here.
No chance. So guys, so he was on that one there, and she was on another one. And you must see, I don't know if you see the water come.
Yo, so the carbon, yo, it don't reach him already.
Probably my way upon she to come over.
She can't come over because it don't take what she have for the one there already. And the carbon bash and move she have for the one there. Turn him in an idiot. No, Tama, cold feet catch him, man. Don't take what she already in the car. Some idiot.
And if you take them from?
So guys, so the water is coming from up there. So the girl was on that rock and he was on that rock there. And the water licked them off with that direction. Yo, the river big, man, I lie, brother, this big. The river big, brother, nah lie.
Right when you see that, you just lean up some on the stone. Where you blood clot?
Eh? No, I'm way down so before I go. What are the part of the music? The more I see. The man can't see water comes from way outside, you know? Hear it. So guys, so you see, Jaja, hey, the river is big still, you know, I wonder
And when that come down, you know, it's a normal, you know, brother. Normal, man.
Be a big stone that man.
So, man. So you see the one of them stone where them are lick up, you know?
Yeah, I don't know, but you're alone.
I don't know, you're alone. Unconscious, you get liquor unconscious, you know.
Because I'm wearing tall sleeve, if you could see the goosebumps on my skin right now.
I will show you the water.
See water cover them place up.
Yeah, tell you man, water come out of some man, you know, see?
You see this one I'm breathing?
Oh.
That's how the land stay.
Yeah, water come out of some man.
Guys, that's not normal. You know? But them river, I see them river, I'm afraid. Them river are too big, brother.
Hey, you don't want the water.
These river is too big. So it's so wide as well. It's so wide. Pure big rocks. You know? So it's terrible. Yeah, and the big rocks where she upon and where him upon, imagine how high the water is. Just imagine how high the water is for them to get liquor for that. They're so high on the water.
What do you mean?
Me and myself, I will be
Yeah.
That means a far in Ghana, you know. If it's so big, a far in Ghana, you know.
And yes, sir. And yes, sir. But yes, sir. Wash up on the fire. You know, the water cut them a lot. Wait them around this part.
Wow. So what's going to happen now? They're going to continue to look where they stop. You know, so they can just come show me where he was. You know, so we're going to head back in the direction where they stopped so far, where they find the girl. You know, because the girl body's been found. You know, decomposed, her body swell up, and drunker. You know, the drunker start to eat her already, you know. The head drunker come and start to pick out her eyes them. Hey, can't even talk about it. Can't even talk about it. Her eyes them get picked out. They start to pick out her bum, her skin is peeled right off. Oh my days.
I see me a woman tell you, she have made spirit in this water. This water is full of spirit, but not see nothing yet. That's what my thing there.
Yeah, your man just say you're peer dopey in the water there.
This carry fire. Gilbert birthday tamper. Need that get up on the river. Man, make sure to tell you yesterday, brother.
Gilbert birthday, you dead on the 12th?
Yeah. And the woman make sure to tell you yesterday, say yo, I know one now, man. You have to pay your dues before you go in the river.
But the river, I can't enjoy the river, yeah.
Oh, which way is the river?
Be a spirit in the river.
That's you.
I'm going to go them type of river. These type of river, I can't swim, I go swim. I can't swim. River does a run. Can't swim. Oh, boy. Cool, man. Yeah. River's a sweat, man.
Yeah, tell them, man.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna fly the drone. You know. Back down? But then there.
Them the long have to walk to the gate outside.
What you want it? What for the thing here?
Put it on if you want to put it on.
Yeah, dog.
Put it on.
I don't know, man. See me going to water in a can.
Put it on.
Yeah man, it's too small for 2 because the one I loaded.
Voila. Take out 2 batteries just in
Way
case.
bigger than it.
How come you keep it?
You want plastic bag, no? No, plastic bag.
Hold on. Rat it.
Well, fit here, man.
So yeah,
You walk with the car around, man. Here, the water out.
Rope in that.
rainfire.
Yo, this big, you know, brother. Riverside big, brother, I'm not lie. Yeah. Guys, look at this river, it's so big.
Sama. I'm going to put it on that far. You can't swim? Who want to go for going?
Which part?
Let's go to my police center.
Them rock here, the man a lick up and yeah. You can see the drone just start up. They take a look, you know. So that's a deep. Stamo! Come!
Dama, we are ready up, yeah? Do what you do and come, do it fast, yeah.
Guys, okay.
No, you have a look. Oh, nobody go over this already? Woman, I agree.
Can you see the whole them place of the river there, you know?
Yeah.
Up here, so?
Yeah. All them place of water.
Yeah, full up all of them places. Yeah. Yeah, so you don't even know deep right there, so it's sure.
Brim! Lodi! Lodi, you search us already?
You know, so never them come from something.
Yes, we are here on the trail, still searching. Can't find this guy. This guy won't show up himself.
So guys, so we drive come down the road more now. You know, because we never have no signs. You know, we never see him on the first stop, so we head down more. It's really, is that school on here, sir?
And the water's brown, you know. Brown.
On the move, down the stream.
Oh, mackerel.
Brim.
Mackerel, something like that.
A mackerel.
Mackerel on that.
I'm on it.
Alright. Alright, huh? Yeah. Go deep in, man.
Yeah. See.
Mackerel, dive out the fancy one, man.
Well, Roman,
Yeah.
you would have suggested you come in the river with me, so limit you, right? If you stay on a higher ledge, in a certain, I have certain vantage point, where you can sit down, so, but a little bit easier for you, because around the corner around this, where we have a good visibility at the river, a little bit above the church. You pass a church up there, so you can sit down here, so, and further up the stream.
Okay.
You could have used a drone in another area there.
Yeah.
Alright? Because our problem, it is not, this is not the norm with the river. River come down from last week, it would have clear up. But every evening the river come down.
Since last week.
Since last week, every evening the river come down. So that's why we have to do this over and over and over and over. You understand?
Yeah.
So if the river is clearer, you can see
everything.
You can see that again. When you soldier that, make him know so we can go. And where you are going to find? You're not going to find the body in the water. The body are got there.
On the side.
On the side. Just like over there, so the banking.
Yeah.
Just look across this. So. And you see anything strange. And the mere fact, the body will resemble the dirty water.
Brown, yeah.
Alright?
So which one we start from? Which one we start from? So okay, sir?
Yeah, we have to go back. You would have go back up which part the church there. And you have the vantage point. No, you have to drive, go back around the way, can't park. And you have the vantage point up there, so, and further up the road.
It can go up there, you know?
This can go up there now?
Yeah.
We'll try it now. Right, and so what can go.
Still no sign, guys. Still no sign. Huh? Still no sign.
Go up with themselves, go up to them because rain soon start falling.
That's what I was trying to put in from now.
Yanilo.
So 5 of them gone? No, still there.
Are the girl them sign it today?
You look like a head of the brother.
Which far?
Alright,
me go look.
I see
Tell them people, yeah. What is them want to do this? I'm tell her to come back.
So we can walk go to him? So we can walk up, sir?
No. No walking there.
No walk there, sir. But it's in them bush, yeah? And them bush, if you look at me, see the river. The water run and them as well, too, you know.
If you now go down the water in the dog.
No, go down them water, brother.
Police are determined. You can't. You
Police.
have to look them places.
Yeah. Yo, there's places where you have to look. Yeah. From which part we find the girl and the search come down. You know? Guys, this searching thing not go according how it's supposed to, you know?
Yeah.
Because I don't know. Them should have at least have a boat come down the stream.
Yeah.
You know? Canoe them or something for come down the stream, then we can check the banking them. But if I go from one spot to another spot, we have missed spots driving down.
We are passing for that spot there.
We don't have none of them boats. Yeah. Because if we keep on driving from one spot to another, we have missed spots coming down. Because it's not like so we can go back where we drive fast. Exactly, so we should can walk. So it need a boat, like a canoe there. Yeah. Alright guys, it's really stressing. Not even lying, it's stressing. Yo, we need a canoe man, something we can come down, you know?
Sunday to the day, my brother. Sunny day.
Can I sit down?
Yeah, go up to them. Come on, sport.
Oh, really? Go up top?
Go find a girl and walk.
Yeah, ready back.
Yeah. Yo, we need a canoe, something where the man can glide down. Is we can look on the bank in them. Because if we keep on drive from one spot, we have missed spot coming down. We need something for you chat down the stream, you understand?
Go over them. Go over them.
Look at water there, so if swimming for go on, you know, swimming I go and see.
Go over that, well, the drone are work, but upon one side we are work, but if we are trying to use the two sides, you can't over.
To them third day, you know. Three day today, you know.
Make you feel good.
Yes. So them come on Thursday? Let's check Thursday. And next day them come?
Friday.
Yeah.
Find him to them, believe him.
No one them cut there. River look like it a come down, you know, say. You see, river get rough now.
Yeah, you see the rise, you know. Rain falls somewhere back. So, see, it's over there so dark.
Yeah.
See, there's so dark aquí, you know. Everybody can cross. You understand?
So the river come down now.
When this commercial park,
Oh boy. Later.
What you there?
you find the girl?
Hope you see them find the girl? That mission has stressed me out. Because we just do it wrong. We need to have them canoe boat there. I come down the stream.
Find the girl and come down the stream or get a two canoe boat. That's the idea.
Yeah.
The man can get two plastic canoe can come down and listen.
Of course.
They are machine there. Raft. Bamboo, they are machine. The bamboo are for lift up too much.
Well, see? Already. Fraser.
Big bag. Translate on this side.
Alright. This is stressing me out. You know?
Yes. Dumpling man alongside me.
Yeah.
Boss.
Dumpling man is here.
Yeah, as well. One thing, can't find this guy. I'll know.
And the sun is hot.
Yeah, very hot. They don't know that side.
Hey. Sash, I call leader, but he didn't answer.
Show me money them. To me, leader on the panel land. But if you the panel land, you have to come. You be a drunkard that fly like the girl. You made the panel land. Because drunkard smell fresh meat. What up?
Yeah.
Junker there. I'm going to work on Sunday.
What?
So junker them I work.
I saw the junker in this room. When you go to work, you see two junker like two. And then you go to see some more come on. You can watch them. You see what come on. And the man say, I'm going to go for. He said the day before he knew she never did this. I must the night to wash come there. Man say, I'm going to go for. He said the junker, but he say, I want to say pick up. So anything say, a regular go to over there. And you go by there, insist the girl. Assassin piece at the right there so. And the girl left find that down there so. So when you go back through the assassin gate.
So you think we should have chat back up there so?
Out there, them say we go back and go around. And I say, if she reach young, so them think him.
Yeah.
She was long before him now.
Yeah, him no reach the safari, brother. Not tell them to reach the safari. You want them push him. That's a bomb between some rebel and him stuck there to virgin.
Guys, look how many cars, look how many of us here. It's like we just cannot get
like a just started.
Well guys, just fly the drone and check.
Take a look for that something in I wallet.
Yeah. Oh lag. Good point already man. Lag. I look see where the crowd are there.
You look this up? I know you check this up for
Them check this already. Obviously so them check it. Especially the cow. When I eat. Cow did I eat woman? They the woman? No. Oh. Some white bird that they're calling. Huh? Ticks them. Alright guys, so we already check here. So we're gonna move on and check again. Yeah. Watch it. Yeah, well, leader, where you at, leader? Where you at? Mr. Skyers. We're looking for Mr. Skyers and can't find him, I don't know. Listen.
About 5 countries world here.
See me.
Exactly.
12 o'clock. Yeah. Hold on.
After them tour down there.
Come on. When we're down there, we are soon when we're down.
Yeah, we're soon as well.
And then we go up there and we can't go no further.
Look, with the drone.
Come back, but compare that. Show yourself, my friend. Show yourself, dog. Show yourself, bad dog. Show yourself. Show yourself.
Oh, them place at the river come. You can see it, you know. Cover.
And now I want to do it. You know what? I come to hold this place there, my friend.
guys help we look. You know tell them man, can you see the water come washing down. Yeah. Yeah, you see it man? The water travel all of these places. Can you see how the tree them look? It's not a normal one at all. Feel like saying that they make a bush here and go stuck coming down, you know. Let me go through the house. MC can go more from this, sir. Walk straight on there, no? Through this, can through this, sir? Somebody have no shoes. Can I make it through? Yeah. The mud is soft, you know, like a quicksand. This mud is like quicksand, you know. You stuck? May, June.
After we leave it out, dress down. Over them part the way from that set. You understand what I'm saying? That's how stone them pop across this. Can't cross. No, look, you see the white part there, sir? We'll come on. Well,
somebody will know it.
Well, evidence, sir.
Yeah.
See me cross, man.
No, it's time to go, man.
Should be go away and see me.
How this already did, oh. But the drone, they check down your side already.
You check it?
Yeah.
All of us, sir.
What I said, okay.
Go back, sir.
And a dry coconut planting, green banana, okra, and also pepper pears. Yeah.
Alright. Guys, the journey still continues. The rain come down, car come down. Uncle Rat over there. Eh? Oh. Yeah. So. Don't leave in the back, you know. Don't leave in the back. Yeah, so we invade. So we have to keep invade the people's them yard, you know, to go and search.
You're not supposed to start a water upstairs. Yeah. Water. The water is constant. Whatever it is, it's blood clot cancer. There is cancer. And if they are dead, you know, there is cancer.
Slama! Yeah, this part of the stream clean. Eh? Yes, sir.
Send the drone go that side.
That's all right.
Drone man.
Yeah.
Drone man. Ready? You want your touch up there, sir?
Up here, sir.
Up there, you walk go down there, sir? Yeah, man, some people down there, sir.
Guys, so I'm going to send the drone that side to see what's going on. No sign at all, shutting. No sign.
Alright, here what happened. Here why we prevent ourselves from being on it. At the end of the day, if we are seen on the, we have to answer to that. From a management point of view, we have to answer to it. So when a document is sent to me that I must respond to this, I have to respond to it, and if I cannot respond properly, we are charged departmentally. Says not that we don't want to, but to prevent us going through that because it amounts to a disciplinary charge.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what the police
Protocol must be followed.
Yeah. It's a must, because most thing is confidential.
Because yesterday, no one should allow to take pictures without certain permission, this, that. However, we can't stop the family from
take picture.
From mourning. You understand me? That's the way we are closing it. So, gentle people, just them may wait for come back.
So it's going to call it a day.
You may have to do that. And as we then said, the river can cross. So as soon as it clear, the river, we see it coming. We see it surface.
This, if it subside lower than this?
Yeah, man.
I will for water this up. We need a water. Next time to get that.
Yeah.
Just after one another.
But you must say on the road that.
That's how we above the road.
You must say above the road that.
See the road there, you know? So that's behind the road, you know?
Well, in so many cases haven't been found. Why? I don't never know so the river the big.
Yeah, man.
I've never been there. I never remember.
That's why you find out, so we live over this side. We enjoy ourselves so much. As soon as I feel hot in our way, we just go.
Yeah.
Me, where I live, the sea is right behind me.
Oh.
But because that part where I live are the deepest channel in the Caribbean, we don't play with it.
Okay.
We don't play with it. So we know all of them things. So when we go and go river, go where my mother live now. And I go and enjoy myself. For the whole day I cook and eat and enjoy myself.
Yeah.
But now where me live.
That's more deal.
So our country, we have a life. So we know and we follow. And you know, safety come first. But just so. Now stop, you know. Because all of we are one nation. We come here so. And we want to enjoy the water. See everybody come here and who hot. See them go and cool off in a cleaner part of the river.
Yeah.
We have to go in there.
Yeah, boy. Leader. I imagine today we have match, you know. I'm the goalkeeper for the team.
So
you know.
me hear one of the big man say when I...
Today we have match. Too bad.
Yes, mums.
Oh, that jump in.
Hello.
Alright,
thanks. Yeah, man.
Right here, set up the people them.
Come.
So I guess other water you kind of clear it up. Other water you kind of make it clear down.
Yeah, this water clear it up now for go down so. And you realize that since you come here, the water get clearer more about the side. And the dirt now, they below it. But through so much river up giant in this river.
Yeah.
Difficult.
So when they come down, it depends on yourself as well?
Don't you see it? They don't let them cross it. They never do it to them.
So that means them kind of bush them too?
Yeah, that's why I tell you say you do not look. Let's say you come over into the bush. Then they go there and think, I think put them there. I do ever put them there?
Which goat them?
The thinking goat them there down there.
Oh. No, they may come back yet. Some of them may come back yet. Yeah, but you must say about the road them there. Because the light post there, so. I mean, I want there for everybody. Yeah.
Which part light post?
See you there.
Some of them gone. So far, some of them gone.
Some of them gone. No, Joe, I pull the team back. But I see them I go around so.
Raise on a bed this morning,
Still no luck of finding him all now, you know. Really no luck at all. No luck of finding him. Like nowhere still to find him. Nowhere at all, boy.
No luck at all. Yo, well, I have to watch out for them things, you know. That can't tell on the head back, you know. That them leave me, we hang you off, you know.
Then I will come with Kashin.
Hey. You blind me?
Oh yeah, I saw which rocky bag. Yo, we turn on the
Oh girl.
Put on turn and move. So, that one bones. Come now, we are coming as a fatu, you know.
Yeah, alright.
Period. When you look for him though.
Actually, we want the man to go play a match better. We have to go in the yard, him not dead. Because we run hard in the yard, him not dead.
Here we know. This is where we're going now. We're going now. Them say 2 river. Meet up in a one now. And when we go White Friday, them say 3 river. They're long.
We're heading to see where they find the next girl. We're going to check from there. Watch your heading. Yeah, so we're going to check where we'll find the next girl and search from there.
Mackerel gone.
I'm not feeling like a soap. I'm not say that. Because I'm saying that I'm going to say, where you come to me, sir? You can't go kill me. I can't come to you can't go kill me.
The child man.
Me again. Yeah, they too.
That the girl say?
That the girl say. And when she reached on the road, she put up by world. And then she put up a sad.
She never put word. She
just buy. Then she put up a sad song. Then half an hour that she put her next status on Instagram. Then on Instagram status.
Yo, watch your tree here, you know, watch your head, youth. Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head. Watch your head.
Look what it is.
Hey, I've never shot that one in, take him off, you know. Yeah.
Definitely I'll be aside.
Oh, yes, so.
The 100 pound
Yo, can't really
You leave a car?
What?
You're doing it.
I'm here come to them and do it and the machine will put up my finger. No answer.
I will go call you about them find him and then they say okay.
That one there's a small one them there.
And that's chocolate. You might think that one thing but I'm like a chocolate and a chocolate different. I look at my little.
So, I own a uncle.
Auntie man.
Or auntie man.
Man, most of that from our way. Upper body in our rice bag. What a hole in our rice bag. They put, then you put a bad man, you go to the you tie up 1 foot, and 1 tree, then you bury the next foot. Next foot, somebody go with you now to the stuff and we find 1 foot, the body in the fire.
If you want to fight, you don't want to fight.
Yeah, and
Alright guys, so the journey continues. The journey continues, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna up here is where them find the girl, yeah, down that side there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start from the next end, you know, and come up towards where we find the girl. You know, so that's where we're gonna chat from right now. So it's raining as well too, and we are far up in the hills, you know, to go down where the river is on the other side. So it's raining right now. See me under me rag, under my kerchief, you know, do-rag, whatsoever you guys call it, and look where we are. We're deep inside. That's how far the river was traveling, so that's the river over there. And that's the river over there. So we're treading on. It's wide, man.
Better just put in the center of that.
Deep and wide.
Wide and look deep.
Go on, chop it on long bamboo.
No.
One of them.
The first ever been on a mission like this, like literally searching. You know, we've been searching for the oil from this morning till now. We are still searching. You know? So sad, man, so sad.
And the people them say, well, every 12 o'clock rain start fall up here, so though. And from 12 o'clock the rain start fall till now. Yeah. I said, Jermaine, you find the jelly them? Hey, watch this, you know. High tension wire this one. High tension wire this, you know.
That must shut down, man.
Oh.
No, shut down to me. I'll give the man one. No, I'll give the man one.
Oh.
I beg him one, man. Nah, that. Man, let them wait for the jelly to wash down the road and set them up, you see?
Oh.
So the man has still cover the jelly, wash down the sun and he was going and set them up. Oh.
I'm come from across the stream.
Ain't swim across here, the river with it.
Oh.
Yeah, man, deep water, man.
And him swim across it?
Deep?
Yeah, man.
This is the highest it go?
Eh?
You can get higher?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, all the rubbish over there, all the river, tell them come in. I same day when they wash it. All the rubbish they come in a bit.
Oh.
The rubbish there? Thursday? Thursday it happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big over the river come down Thursday, brother. Take them away.
So, I'm not seeing a sign of anything though?
No, we don't see no sign. Oh, they could tap up, so them find the girl now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still can't find the youth.
Still can't find the youth, you know, not deal with it. I wonder if him dump up on his son.
If you dump up on his son,
He can be dump up on his son.
it's like a rough for it.
Yeah.
So that's
The last time a man wash up a Cassington, nearby which man wash up coming down. And around 3 months.
3 months.
Then when they find dump up on his son, and the river come down and dig up the son.
Oh.
And the same brother there, we find see the girl there, and see the movement can see John can fly and we go look. So he can dump up on the son too.
Yeah.
She was a long after before we know.
You know not that still. Yeah.
Now, sir. Your friend?
No.
I better search. Yo, I quit sand this, you know. Yo, that come like it's a quit sand. Me step in a while ago. Yeah. Yo, I quit sand that, man. Why, what a piece of search, man.
in there.
Who are going there?
Let them in there.
That's what I can't hear.
Okay, alright.
We gotta run up the hill every time I come down. That way I forgot to run. Up the hill. Up the hill I forgot to run go.
Walk on the rock now, sand now.
You think I really think I forgot to run up the hill.
But I'm go up on a while ago, but I want to go through that again.
Yo. That sand you quit sand this brother. Soft brother. Yeah guys, the river come down, we have to run up the hill, yeah? Up here. Let's go up the hill. Yeah, Nick? If you hear it come down, just run up the hill. If you hear the river come down, up the hill. Yeah. Just keep your eyes open. I can see the whole of yourself. How about the river there? Yeah, you can see how high it is. No. Oi, Sash, you can't run up the hill, man, you're good, man.
No, I'm not a parent, I'm not a sister, but you can't walk in there. You can't pass yourself.
No.
Eh?
No, no, sir.
And then it's a soft, you know? It's a soft.
Where are the sun this are coming from, you know? Where are the sun? Oh, it's dead end. Come in. Step over. Hold it.
So me do it when I dig up this and I walk.
Run it up, here, slip to this thing. Let's dance it for it.
Dull. Dull.
How far you can go?
Yeah, you don't have much more iron. You don't have much more land to walk.
You think you can go where they say that?
No, you can't go.
You can't go where it's not.
Yeah, but next year you can enter from up the door.
Yeah.
But next year you can enter from up the door.
Enter from where?
Next side.
Alright, so what they say for the long tree there?
Yeah.
And over there, so go down. So what's that to take on this up?
Yeah.
And come down.
Yeah, probably.
So turn back and come back up there.
Yeah, that we have to go do. Because you say impossible to park.
Yeah, we can charge it up the hill, man. Through the bamboo, so.
If you're in the area, it'll be a good circle.
Still no luck. You know? Still no luck. Still no luck. So we get a chance to come from up there, come down here, but still no luck at all. Still looking. So you can see the whole of the river come up here as well too. The river come all the way up here as well. So that is sand where you see. Whoa!
You can't take the button. Eh? You can't take away the button. That me I can't see.
We should have the bamboo, we should have a piece of bamboo like we have and test it. Eh? Yeah.
So, where am I going now, sir? Yeah. They're forward then. So, we can't cross here, sir.
Can't cross this. Nobody can cross it. But who alone know to cross it? Nobody can cross it. Look here, so still, because the water wash come up here, so. I can see them standing fresh. Wash come here as well. Yeah. There's nothing in these bushes. Oh, this is so sad. Guys, where are you? Oh guys, we're gonna head back up there. Huh? The fence here. Voila Nick, voila Nick, voila Nick, voila. Yo Nick, chat back over that side there. Step on that. Nick couldn't make it there, so. Slip way.
That wasn't easy at all. That wasn't easy at all, boy.
You probably gone up so then. Shit. Come like in that zoo. Yo, the water here, most spring water this.
Yeah, come on. Further along. But you never come here.
Oh, but don't you saw them find her? I want to say mining, my mine, no?
Looks to the mine.
Work are going on, guys. So the road is where they do mining. They're mining the land around here. I don't know what them finding around here. Where we not finding Cardian. And around here keep trim and look good. Over there, so what am I? You know, so things are going on we don't know about. And look how far we have to drive to come up here, sir. The Merlina Pavilion, in memory of Nell Merlina Campbell. Her door was always open, a place for friends and family. Sure, car in a book up the big story. Oh, that is big, yeah. The way how they maintain it, like this land here. Yeah. Almond tree. Almond tree. Where? Which one? Look at this sun. This is what they're mining, all this sun. These are granite sun. So they're mining all of these suns. Look. They're mining the sun, granite sun. Sash! Sash! I want to see them find the girl?
Over there, so.
Wait, find there, so?
Yeah, should I say that I have something there?
Yeah.
So I don't want to wear so. I don't want to wear so. Oh, so this the motion, you know, and not that.
Over there, some man, stop. Are the big stone over there?
That's the red jug over there, sir. You can spot the red jug.
Over there, so. You can't walk across this one.
Who says so?
This can't walk across, man.
I thought the one them do is
Nico.
Bro, left leg drop. Reach over there so you got down so you know. But I watch you see a while ago. Rice back.
What's the time there with the life jacket?
Yesterday we could do there, so still. Up there somewhere there yesterday. Up there somewhere. Nah, you can't tell it. You never come here say yesterday.
Water enough, man.
You can see the water right now.
The water moved yesterday.
Yesterday walker.
You can swim?
Just stick it and go and cross, Nico.
You can swim from there? Okay, I'm just an ask, brother.
What?
No, this is the current, they know, brother. Link up black.
You see, if the girl watching on this, probably lead over there.
No, because him not come from this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, wait a Bloody, which part? Are you buying condom? This.
The girl find over this over the red jug. See the red jug there? You see red jug over here over there? Yeah. Over there say girl there, you know. Put on the machete, man. You hold the machete, so man.
Yeah, no, don't need that right now.
And you want to use it so they place them, man.
Sure, if
On this, if you can walk across, yeah. On this.
no, come side here.
Look where I go. That deep. Just use it to balance.
A star boy up on the afternoon.
And I'm power super strength that you can't take that power.
Yesterday watch your Richard. Yesterday higher than this. Yeah.
Oh, that's such bad Jeremy that I get deeper.
Parker, you want a thicker bamboo than that, brother?
What is the current bad? One push you out there, so. Every time you say the current, I'll show you. Still one, come here, one.
Where rope? The rope never come.
Hold me.
Where rope there?
The rope in the way up, so.
Rope in the van?
Yeah.
Somebody have to test it, you know. Somebody have to test it so we know which track.
The rope in a lorry van.
It's a current right now, look at this. Then I'm here for us chuck and
swim cross.
Even if you're not still, you want to come back and then catch pocket. Where's that one? Where's that one?
I reach class, I just walk across and she want to reach us. You can't see me in a pool.
Better we go back down which part?
And I'm swimming at the current.
Where?
Don't
go to easy after crack?
So I'll show you across yesterday.
Daddy, now you say you cross yesterday.
Guys, so over there is where them find the girl. All the way over there on the rock. You know, but there's a strong current right there. It's hard to cross. You know?
Oh, come in.
So, Chef, we have to talk about the river come down. We're not going to reach and find, you know, we just go home, you know. So we can't swim.
You not go for blacks can't swim.
You can't swim.
Blacks.
You're not a big swimmer. You can't swim. You're not a big swimmer. You hold on for the bamboo now. You man reach cheap water.
The swimmer the thing is
At the current, you know. And at the swim, you know, at the current.
over there, so the man in prayer.
Yeah. Swimming is not the problem, it's just the current are the problem. That's why we need somebody where kind of used to this. You know?
You know what she are doing here?
No, no. Yeah.
Be there, Granny, she was out there, man. Oh, I'm not sure what to do. Right now, who said that? Oh, I walk a come across. Yo, you see a man over there walk come. You see a man over there walk come.
You see him?
Okay.
Look like a warning.
So if I see the water change color and brown, you know it goes already.
That not come down.
No, other side there. So guys, so basically this land that we're on, yeah, is you know, Agent Sasko, the artist. But all of this belongs to him, Agent Sasko. So we're on his land right now. So this land is basically, and I've just been told that it's Agent Sasko land we're on right now. So you can say a regular Agent Sasko being grilled around here, so you know. Holy for jerk. Boom. Agent Sasko places? Yeah. So you can say a lot of jerking going around here.
See no more sign out there, the line name is for my mother.
Oh, for your mother name that? Yeah. Merlina?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They must say, she feed us.
Yeah.
Then when she was alive, open up so nobody could come in, so he want the same response.
Oh, anybody could come in?
Nobody can come in, come enjoy themselves.
Okay. Come see it and say, oof, I want to go on down here, so I never realized that Agent Sasko land this.
And I him do the work on that.
The mining?
No, they whatever. Plant up in trees, them and
okay.
So work, carpenter work,
yeah.
all of that.
We're gonna come back down again. Oh boy. God, this is the longest hunt ever. 3 days, still no sign, still nothing. Gotcha. The river come all the way on this side as well too. This is a big riverbed. So big. Imagine coming down the river with all of these rock stones. Yeah. Are you that? Yeah. Hello, my Ricky. My guy. Look so. Yeah. Am I asked for? Where my ask for? You get rougher now. Ricky, I was trying to cross it. The drone? What, the drone? With the drone?
No, with this.
Yeah.
Really looking most of people see what I'm going.
Yeah. Can you imagine how big the river come down, it cover the whole of there, so. All the way over there, it cover everything. Yeah, in the day or so. Somehow. Eh? Somehow with the life jacket.
No, we have a friend. No, I want to go over. No, I want to go over there.
Now we are the next part.
So I am down the left. I am over there.
I know go over.
Find the time.
What's the two over there?
Uncle. So I go, man. So when we go up there, so now, we're looking at them tall grass.
Yeah.
But now, grass back. And you don't know how they so stay, because we there yesterday, I'm judging them. I walk here so first.
Yeah.
And I say, I shouldn't go cross. Just when they come there, and we just stand and say, no. Then I walk out and I say, oh, I channel. So we use a clock there, and walk it where we come across. That's what a beer stand, you know. Him would have this, brother, and we don't know.
I don't know.
You can feel it.
Because them also them would have bury under the sun.
Yeah. Enough sun. Enough people who will look under the sun.
Can dive off, dog.
Can dive off.
Dive off. Right this side of the front. Man, God, the head water was like on girl. What's it?
Pinky can't swim. Pinky not swim.
See what I'm
Yeah, Pinky don't run water, Joe. The man don't swim, brother. And Nick too. Nick say, yo, lion not gonna see. Last time we had Nick go Treasure Beach. Nick say, oh, lion not gonna see. I say, yo, Nick, get that choke out. Nick say, no. And the thing is, you know, yeah, we got a Pelican bar. Yo, a Pelican bar, what there, you know? And Nick can, what? I remember say a Pelican bar that deep in the car. Nick say, ooh, lion. Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm be telling him a pad like him a Jones, see him here. And Nick say, oh, lion I gotta see.
Riverside,
Bro, I tell you, so all God alone can show this sign. Where the man there? Leader, where you at, leader? Yeah, can the policeman say?
The sun area, the copper, and once in cover.
The policeman say, yo, some of them cases they not find them, and some months.
One man cover already around here, so for 8 months. Understand?
Come back alive?
No, not come alive.
The remains them fine. No remains what? Man, them saying fresh.
Yeah,
fresh.
The sun keep him. Once you're under the sun, they keep you.
8 months. And I tell you, so right now, when I feel virgin, them around here from 2011 gone, and then I find him all now. 2011.
Come here, ask the policeman and say, yo, how much case you ever find while this happened? Man say, yo, a lot of them don't find. Lots. Still no luck at all. No sign. I wish we have an X-ray vision. Can I see under everything and just, from overhead and just tell us, yes, he's right there, So imagine that the girl, she's been found, but him is not found. God damn. Leader, wow. Leader, why? I just can't imagine, because him and the girl, them on 2 separate rocks, but she more in front of him. So she's the one that got washed out first, but he was closer to the banking. So I guess when the river come down, he never want to come across and leave her alone. So I figured out he was waiting to see if he could get her across. At the same time now, it was too late and she get boxed off. And then it's too late for him as well too. And then him get boxed off as well. So guys, so the search continues, so
don't know. To keep you posted.
Right, so apparently this land here is Agent Sasko land, you know, and that's his mom. The Marilena Pavilion, that's her name, you know. That's her name, Nelly, Marilena Campbell. So that's why he said in memory of Nelly, Marilena Campbell, her door was always open, a place where friends and family gathered. So, and she died in 2005, so that's why he's the one that done this, you know. So this is Agent Sasko land. You know, as I've been told, them say he's the one that farm it, you know, do the work as well too. You know, so let me show you what it's like. Yes, so this is all Agent Sasko. Assassin. So you can see this is all the work is getting done as well too. He's the one that doing all the works as well. So you still got tools everywhere same way.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.